Hi and welcome to Table Talk. I'm Sophie.
I'm Amy.
And this week we've been back in Bristol talking to parents of the children who have been testing kit for us.
It's been great to hear from those parents that they're, one, not as fearful as we thought they would be, and two, we're pleasantly surprised to hear how they would welcome their kids actually being able to speak to someone like Kit, whether it was human or not, to be able to organise their thoughts.
And from a technical perspective, we learnt two things. We learnt how important that variety is going to be, and we also learnt a lot about the privacy aspects.
Yeah.
Where Kit is placed has an influence on how children perceive and use Kit.
Yeah, how honest and open they are
Exactly.
with what they want to share.
Yeah.
Separately to Kit learnings, I learnt how much Alexa means to Sophie. How do we feel about Alexa back, Sophie?
So excited to have my Alexas back. I definitely missed it. I was shouting around my room.
And then on Monday we spent the day planning, didn't we?
We did.
got a full day of PKT together and it was rather wonderful.
That just enabled us to really make a plan around what we needed to do, what we needed to action to get to where we want to be in September, as well as actually really defining where we want to be in September.
One of the things we would love to share with you is the fact that towards the end of the summer holidays, we will be launching Kit Camp. And Kit Camp will be very much the essence of what we believe in at PKT. There will be a lot of laughter. There will be a lot of meaningful conversation. So starting to prep the kids for going back to school, thinking about some of the experiences, some of the tough conversations that they might need to have, becoming more comfortable with new people, particularly if they're starting year 7.
Exactly.
We'll be bringing Kit Camps to London this summer.
Exciting. Yes. We will speak to you next week. Bye.